Hello everybody and welcome to today's Phonics with Mr. Lake. Okay, so today we are going to be learning the I sound. My turn, I, your turn. My turn, I, your turn. My turn, I, your turn. Okay, so to help us remember this sound, we think of these people flying their kites up in the sky and we say fly high. My turn, fly high, your turn. My turn, fly high, your turn. My turn, I fly high, your turn. Okay, let's have a look at some words with that I sound in. Okay, first up, let me just get rid of that. First up, my turn, I, t, your turn. My turn, I, t, fight, your turn. Excellent, so the word is fight. Okay, next up, my turn, I, t, your turn. My turn, I, t, night, your turn. So the word is night. Okay, next up, my turn, I, t, your turn. My turn, I, t, light, your turn. Okay, so the word is light. Finally, my turn, I, t, your turn. My turn, I, t, flight, your turn. So the word is flight, as in the plane took flight. Okay, so here is what today's sound looks like, okay? And it's what we sometimes call a trigraph. It's 3 letters that make one sound, okay? So the I, the G, and the H together make the sound I. My turn, I, your turn. My turn, I, your turn. My turn, I, your turn. So have a good look at it because we're going to go through our speed sounds, all right? And when you see the I sound, I want you to say it and point, okay? So let's go through our speed sounds. Ooh. The sound is A. The sound is E. I hope you pointed. The sound is I. The sound is Z. Okay, so let's have a look at it again because it can be a tricky one to remember this one. There is the I sound, okay? I-G-H makes the I sound, 3 letters. All right, we're going to read some words now containing that sound. So I've added the dots and dashes already. Have a look. Can you see any special friends? Look, it's the I sound. So my turn, S, I, sigh. Your turn. Okay, so we sigh when we go, oh, sigh. Okay, next word, have a look for special friends. Can you see any special friends? Looks like we've got the I sound again. My turn, I, t. Your turn. My turn, I, t, night. Your turn. Night, as in I go to sleep at night. Okay, last one. Any special friends? Can you see any special friends? Well, look, we've got the I sound again. So, my turn, I, t, your turn. My turn, I, t, fight, your turn. So the word is fight, as in it's not very nice to have a fight. Okay, so that brings us to the end. So our sound today was I. My turn, I, your turn. My turn, I, your turn. My turn, I, your turn. Thanks for watching and see you next time.